I love to serve soup, and if you want to achieve restaurant quality soup, then what you need is a Vitamix. It couldn't be easier, and the results are always fantastic. We're gonna make my roasted tomato soup today, and this one is super easy, again, if you start with the Vitamix. Now, we've got roasted Roma tomatoes. They're gonna go in first. And then to that, we're going to add some chopped onion. Sun-dried tomatoes go in. Tomato paste. I don't know if you all have yet discovered tomato paste in a tube, but it's a game changer. No more buying cans of tomato paste for me. I always need just a little bit and I end up having trouble storing it, so I now buy it in the tube. It's a lot nicer. Throw in a little salt, a couple of garlic cloves, and then chicken stock. Now remember, with the Vitamix, there is no heat mechanism inside this machine. It's sheer friction and the power of the unit that's going to create the heat that will create this wonderful restaurant quality soup. Make sure that your lid is securely on top, and then we're gonna start at a slow speed just to pull everything down. Remember, with the Vitamix, it's all pulling all of those whole pieces down in toward the blades. Then we're going to increase our speed and let this run for about 6 minutes. All right, that's been about 6 minutes. We lift this up and off. You feel the carafe, it's nice and warm, but here's the big payoff. We lift the lid and check out all that steaming hot, delicious roasted tomato soup. Now, what's even better, it's already in a pitcher, so it's easy to pour and get this into bowls and serve this to your guests. Nice and rich and thick, smells amazing. And then, of course, we'll top it with some oyster crackers and then dig right in.